Feet don't fail me now. Feet don't fail me now. Feet don't fail me now. I gotta start walking, I gotta start running. No looking back, look at what I'm becoming. All in perfect timing, perfect alignment. A real assignment, all on consignment. When I finish climbing, what you gon' scream? How could you let him cheat? He did it his way. Feet don't fail me now, I need you more than ever. Gotta be tougher than leather for my endeavors. Let's get together, I'm out for the treasure. The storm of weather, no man could ever measure. That's what you thinking too, but walk in my shoes. Here's the good news, I will not lose. Breaking no rules, I got shit to prove. Go ahead and snooze, I'm with making moves. Always aim high, never give up, and in the same line. Stay low, keep room to grow, reap what I sow. 2 steps ahead of you, I impressed and go my direction, confident in where I'm headed, bro, a professional. Stay on my toes, right at the threshold. Feet don't fail me now. Feet don't fail me now. The star of the story, you know me well. The star of that story, you love to tell. The star of the story always prevails. The star of the story. Inhale, exhale. I'm made, never afraid. Enough with the charades, bout trade. Love leather and suede. Call my banker, thank him. Hold me down, anchor, a high ranker. It's quite bizarre. Caviar, cigars, go to the bazaar and Caesar without a scar, without blemish, with no limits. Bless the bar with a fine woman, fine linen on my arm. Here's the charm, glistens, pissing to get it out my system. Lots of fish in the sea, go ahead, go fishing. In charge, cause I enlarge. Break the bank, forget crunk, got crank, yank and spank. Baby girl, give thanks, I outrank your top rank. One man army, a tank, persevere. Then appeared, then disappeared, then reappeared. How you think I get here? The star of the story, you know me well. The star of that story, you love to tell. The star of the story always prevails. The star of the story. Inhale, exhale. The star of the story, you know me well. The star of that story, you love to tell. The star